guys, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about 10 of my favorite free amigurumi patterns that I want to share with you guys. A lot of these patterns I make quite often and they sell pretty well at my markets and everything, and I just think they're all super cute, super fun. A few of them take a little bit longer, some are some quick sews, so enjoy this video as I talk about these 10 patterns. So the first pattern on this list is this Mini Love Elephant by DIY Fluffies. This is a super quick workup. It works well with like acrylic yarn, fluffy yarn. I like using fluffy yarn. Really all you have to make is like the ears, and then just like everything else is kind of attached. So it's a really quick project and it turns out super cute. I made a few of these and little kids love them. I've sold them all out already at my markets, so I really enjoy this pattern. I think it's adorable and it's available for free on her website. The next pattern I want to talk about is this balloon dog pattern that's pretty popular that I've seen going around, and this is by Gloria B. I believe it's available for free on her Ravelry. So everything will be linked down below too, by the way. But I really like this pattern. My only gripe is that it takes forever and it takes so much yarn to make this. I have made it in Sweet Snuggles Light before, but I don't think it works really well with the fluffy yarn because it's kind of like too floppy. I actually have one here. So yeah, it doesn't really work too well with the like the fuzzy yarn because like it's like too floppy. I made this one out of acrylic yarn, and I mean it's a little floppy, but it actually stands up a lot better, more like the other one that I have, like its head just kind of falls forward. But I think it's super cute and it's super fun. Like, who doesn't love a balloon dog? But yeah, I think it definitely works better with acrylic yarn. And with the acrylic yarn I found that I used less. It still took forever because you're essentially just crocheting one giant tube and then you have to like twist it up like a balloon dog, but it's so cute and people love it. But yeah, I definitely would recommend using acrylic yarn. When I used the fluffy yarn, I pretty much used an entire skein of Sweet Snuggles because it was really big, and it doesn't like have good structure, I feel like, for that type of project. So definitely try it in acrylic yarn or just some sort of stiffer yarn. I haven't tried it with Premier Parfait Chunky, but since that's like a thinner fuzzy yarn, that might work. It just didn't really work well with the Sweet Snuggles. Moving on, the next pattern I really enjoy is this mini shark pattern, and this is by Gratia project. It's available as a free YouTube pattern here. They have a whole video tutorial on how to make these cute little mini sharks. They make them in acrylic yarn, but I've also tried it in fluffy yarn and they're super cute. They're just a little bit bigger than like keychain size, but they're still like a nice little quick workup and cute little mini plushie. I've had quite a lot of people ask me if I sell sharks because I was selling whales, so this was definitely a fun pattern to try out and make for the shark lovers, and you can make them in a ton of different colors. Super cute. The next pattern is one of my favorites as well. This is a T-Rex pattern by Mary Makes. It is available for free on her blog. These are so cute. The picture is in acrylic yarn, but I've made them in fuzzy yarn and they're absolutely adorable. They're super fun to make in like a bunch of different colors, and like little kids love them. Even adults love them. Like, I've sold a bunch of these at my markets as well. I've only made like a handful, but I definitely want to make more in some different colors. I made like a blue one and a green one and a pink one, I think. I actually sent out a green one last Christmas to like a Secret Santa thing, which was fun. But yeah, they're definitely super cute, and these are super quick to make. You really only have to make like the arms and the tail and like the body as like one piece. So they're pretty quick to make up and they're super cute. The next pattern I want to talk about is this Mushroom Boy pattern, and this is by ViMa on YouTube. There's a YouTube tutorial for it, but these are so cute. I see everyone making them. I made like a few of them, and every time I've made them, people really like mushrooms and just its cute little face on it. These again are super fast to work up, and you can make them in a bunch of different colors. Super fun, super versatile. Now this next pattern has been my current obsession, and these are Mini Octopus by Passionate Crafter. She has a free pattern available on her blog. Also, you can purchase the pattern on her Etsy if you prefer a PDF. I did that because it's just easier than scrolling through like advertisements and stuff on a web page, and I like to have all my like PDFs just kind of like on my computer. I can open them and look at them really quick. But this pattern's been my current obsession. These octopus are so cute. Like, I love the way she did the legs on these. I was making like a different type of octopus before that had more of like a shell stitch for the legs, but these are so cute. They're little curly legs, and like I've been making a ton of these, and for my recent craft fair I made like 5 or 6, and we pretty much sold all of them because the little kids just love them and they're like small, and these work up in like 20 minutes and you can make so many different colors. So this is definitely one of my new favorite patterns. This next pattern is the Stingray, and this is by Crochet Everything. I love this pattern. It's super cute, super fast. They're small, so I like making little keychains out of them. I use Parfait Chunky for them to make the little keychains, but I've also made like a bigger version where I just kind of increased some parts more to make like a big stuffy, and these are super fun and cute. People really like the keychains, and you can make a bunch of different colors and they work up really fast as well. Another one of my favorites is this Jellyfish pattern by Savagely Stitching. This is another popular one. I made like a whole rainbow of jellyfish, and these sold out pretty quickly. Every time I make them, people love them and they just like buy them, and I know a lot of people like them for like babies and stuff, so I gotta make some with like felt eyes instead of the safety eyes. But everyone enjoys these, and like it's really fun to make them in a bunch of different colors, and they're just like cute in the little legs. Like I just love it. I love making them so much. They're so much fun to like experiment with different color combinations for like the stingers and everything. So yeah, and this works up in probably like an hour or so, maybe a little less. I feel like it just takes a while to crochet all the like stingers just because they're really long chains, but the like body part is pretty fast and pretty easy to make. So another one of my favorites. And the next pattern is this cute little snail by Crochet Grove. This is available for free on her Instagram. These are so cute. I've never seen like a little snail pattern, and these are just like so small. If you use like acrylic yarn, you can even size it up with like chunky yarn to make like a plushie, but you can like use thinner yarn too to make like a keychain type thing. There's just so many different options with this pattern, and you can do a ton of different colors, and people like it. Like, you would never think like, hey, let me make a snail and people would enjoy it, but these are so cute. And finally, the last pattern I have to talk about today is this Noo Cat by StitchbyFay. This is a free pattern available on her website. This reminds me of the loaf cats, like the big loaf cats I see everybody making, except it's like mini. And these are just so cute. People love cats. So like any opportunity you have to make just like a bunch of different cats, people are going to love it, especially if you make it like a bunch of different styles of cats, and like if it looks like their cat, they're gonna want it. Like, these are just so tiny and adorable, and I love them. I love the loaf cat pattern as well, but this is like a good free alternative, and it's small, so you don't have to spend a lot of money trying to buy a pattern or whatever. But that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of my favorite patterns. Maybe you found something new to work on in crochet. If so, happy crocheting. If you guys make these patterns, let me know down below which one your favorite is. I really enjoy these all. They're all super cute and super fun to make. So I hope you guys found your next project. But all these patterns that I mentioned in today's video will be linked down below with the title, name, and link to where you can find them. So be sure to check out the description box at the end of this video. But if you guys want to see more fun crochet videos, be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more recommendation videos like this in the future. But that's all I have for you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.